Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and as I promised, I am going to do a small haul from officesupply.com. And to be honest with you, I can't remember if I already showed you some of these or not. But I don't think I did, because I had another office supply order, and then I ordered again. Actually, I ordered 2 more times, and I have not done that haul. So some of the things I may have ordered before and ordered more of, like for instance, this Sunshine and Lemonade pack. I ordered another one. This is by Little Birdie, and here's everything that's in it. 12 sheets of printed acid-free paper. I've got some summer journals that these are going to be perfect for. So I thought, well, I got the first one and I loved it, so I thought I'm going to get a second one. So I got that one for sure, in addition. But I did get this Jen Hadfield paper. I thought this would be cute for like 80s journals. It is one-sided. Here, that just does not work. We're going to have to do it this way. And I love that the zip strip, as I call it, let me see, can you see that? Yes, you can. Is also colored. But here we go. Ooh. And I love these colors. Love the rainbows. When I was young, in addition to collecting little mice, I collected rainbow stuff. Yeah, this is nice. I mean, it's a little, it's very girly. Oh, these will be fun. Oh, that's pretty too. So you'll have to tell me what your favorite thing is that I hauled from officesupply.com. And let me also know in the comments if you've ever ordered from there. So far, I've been very happy with the orders. Oh, I love these for a house journal. I've been extremely happy with what I've ordered, and their customer service is great. They ship quickly. It's nice that there's some tags in there. Oh, and then it repeats. So there you go. It's called Stardust by Jen Hadfield. And then the next one I got was this one called, this is a Maggie Holmes called Garden Party. And it is two-sided. I think it's two-sided. We're going to look at it sideways. I'm sorry. Nope, it's one-sided. Here we go. Here it is. 24 sheets. Went to a garden party. Oh, that's cute. Can I do this? It doesn't work really well. That's cute. No, we're going sideways. I'm sorry if I just annoyed you. Oh, and hers has the zip strip too that are colored. So, you know, you can use that for all kinds of things too. That's when you know whoever designed these actually is an artist, because they're using every little bit of usable paper. I'll try to go through this a little faster. Oh my gosh, this is cute for my tea journals. And then I think these are all, yeah, these are all just solids, which, you know, I never buy solid paper and then I need it. So I did this time buy some solid paper, I think. Okay, yes, I did. And then these I bought 2 of these. Now, I have some, it's actually at the lake, that I had bought when we were in Tennessee at the Scrapbook Superstore. That is also polka dot, but it's like a Swiss dot. It's raised, and oh my gosh, is it awesome. This is not. So if you're wondering, it's just flat. But I use bright colors a lot, and so I just thought I needed to have this in my life. This will all get used up because you can use them. They're neutral, right? They're just colored with polka dots. So you can use them in every type of journal you can imagine. And I love doing, you know, the school days journals, the children's book journals, and so these will come in handy. So the other one that I ordered, and this is one I feel like I might have shown you before, is it's just the pastels because I didn't have a lot. Spring is coming, friends. I know sometimes it doesn't feel like it, but this is, I'll tell you who this is by in a second. I had all the primaries and not any pastels. So this is Colorbok. Maybe you say Colorbok. I'm not sure. But this is the pack that I bought. And I have one Colorbok that I've showcased before, and I'm like, if you find this, buy it, because I bought it when we were in Nevada. We were going to Arizona and Utah and doing the whole Grand Canyon thing, and we had an RV, and I wanted to craft, and I had picked up this pad from Walmart there, and I loved it. I finally have found it, I think, 2 more times. But this one I've never seen them sell. Maybe you guys have, but I've never seen this at my Walmart. So I did think that was a great deal. And then this one I need to put with my equestrian. I'm working on an equestrian journal. And so I'm just going to stick this with that. This is also by Colorbok as well. Mad for Plaid. So that will go in that stack. And then for paper, the final one, I think I showed you this one maybe. Yeah. No, maybe not. But this one's cool because it's 2-sided. I love a good 2-sided paper. The only bad part about it is I have to make a decision in what side I'm going to use. And see, then it just repeats. And this is by Celeste Gonzalo. Very pretty. So those are the papers that I got. I don't think I ordered any. I didn't order any papers from Echo Park. I do know that. I did get a few little things. And I think I've already shown you. Yeah, I got the favorite flannel. It's just little plaid paper. And then I got the matching Sunshine and Lemonade. That's why I got the bigger one, because I already had this one. And then I got these Sunny Blooms. So I had those before. But the other new things that I bought, my stickles. I noticed Dave hung up my printer's drawer, and my stickles are, I don't have very many, and some of them are probably like, I mean, they're easily as old as my children. So I just picked up 2 of them. They were really inexpensive. I want to say they were like $2 a piece, maybe less than that. And then I did get 2 rolls of this washi, and this is $49 in Market. And I love playing with these little stamp stickers, washi. So I thought, well, those will last me forever. So I did get 2 of those. Here's the other one. I'm just going to take this out so I can put it away when we're done. And then I did find a couple of things that I think I was like, well, that's awesome. There we go. There's 2 of them. One is, if you enjoy watching my tutorials, I have this fuse tool that I've had for several years. I never used it. I busted it out, and now I'm addicted to it. Well, I guess I didn't really look as close as maybe I should have, but they had these replacement tips, and I was like, oh, that's a good idea. Well, it came with the one that this one will make a slit in your plastic, and then this one seals it. So those are the 2 replacement, but then it came with these 2. I don't know what they're for, but I guess I'm going to find out. So I just thought that would be nice to have extra replacements, and they were really inexpensive. And then on the same line, I had never seen these before either, but these are just replacement, the cubes, the top and the base for your crocodile. So if these ever get worn out, which mine, I mean, I've had this again forever and ever, and I have a couple of them. I have one in my travel bag and one at the lake. So I thought, well, you couldn't go wrong. They were really inexpensive, and so I grabbed a couple of those. And then lastly, I've been really into making shakers, and I did a video using some overhead projector sheets and had a ball with those. So I did pick up a few different ones. There's 4th of July. There's some, it says Valentine flowers, but they're just pink and red flowers. I got some purple, and then again, we got the garden party. These are just little flowers. So that's it. That's what I bought at officesupply.com. It was a very fun but very small little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. That was a quickest unboxing I think I've done in a long time. All right, friends. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you come back again. Tell me what your favorite thing is that you saw. I'd love to hear from you. Introduce yourself. And before I go, a special shout out to Georgia Peach, Alone by Mimi, and Ran Gennaro. Hope I said that right. Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all very much, and I especially appreciate that you leave comments and say hi to me. I love meeting new friends, and you are no exception. So we'll see you next time, everybody. Until then, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.